The Supreme Court, where individual rights are supposed to be protected, think it's fine if government invades our financial privacy, spies on us in our bedrooms, regulates church schools, and restricts our free speech. Meanwhile, at the Congress, everything is up for grabs. Everything is up for grabs, as long as it's yours.
Hi, my name is Kenzie Blaylock, and welcome to On Second Thought, a libertarian TV show seen in California, Arkansas, and Michigan, and also heard on the World Wide Web. And now for the statesman, a neither Democrat nor Republican, but a defender of the U.S. Constitution, Mr. William J. Wagner.
Thank you, Kenzie. I am William Wagner, guy in the white hat, taking it off for you. Boy, have we got stuff to cover today. This is the last show I'm going to give you before the election of November 2nd, 2004. Today, I have attorney Stanley Hilton. Yeah, the Stanley Hilton who's suing the airlines on behalf of over 300 plaintiffs, victims of 9/11. And as he got a shocking statement, and I'm going to give you just a little snippet of it today. But we've got a 1-hour interview coming up in a future show, and you won't want to miss that here on Second Thought. Also, we've got the debate, or part of the debate, for the congressional district against Lois Capps, against Michael Favorite, against Don Regan. And you'll remember Don Regan, we had him on our show for an hour a couple weeks ago. But probably the most important thing we're going to talk about today is the reasons why you should vote to keep your water clean. That is, vote yes for Measure W in Santa Maria. Measure W is a very reasonable thing. It simply says the EPA has got certain water standards, and my God, people, we ought to just have water standards that live up to EPA. The EPA protects the fish. They protect the birds in the air. But your incumbent city council is determined to put industrial waste fluoride in your water. You read a little bit about Dr. John Wy's book, Kenzie. What did you get out of that in the little time you read those few words?
Well, it talks about how the fluoride in our water is degrading our bones and pre-aging of skin and causing cancer and very detrimental values.
Now, as a young blonde young lady, do you really want your skin to be prematurely aged and wrinkle up quick?
Of course not. I'm going to look 20 forever.
She wants to look 20. Do you think you'll look 20 if you get overdosed with a lot of fluoride in your diet and in your water?
No, I don't think I'll be looking 20 for very long.
Did you notice in Dr. John's book, let me just pull that up here, this book, Fluoride, the Aging Factor, in the first few pages, it shows these men in their 30s. Those men are in their 20s and 30s. How old do those men look to you?
One of them looks about 70, and the other one looks about probably 65.
Right. That's in Dr. John Wy's book. They happen to live in a place that has ridiculously high levels of fluoride. I don't talk very much about what the Libertarian Party is, but basically we want less of government, and this yes on W is just another good reason why we need less government putting garbage in your drinking water. It's even questionable whether fluoride is good put on the teeth by a dentist. But if a dentist were to tell you to swallow that, he would go to jail. And there have been children who did swallow it. Little 2- and 3-year-olds go get their first fluoride treatment. They swallowed it in the dental chair and they died. And those people are all named in Dr. John Wy's book, Fluoride, the Aging Factor. There were lawsuits, yes, and I'm sure the dentists had, malpractice insurance, but it didn't bring the dead children back. Mm-hmm. This is why this is a really important issue, and I really hope you people will pay attention.